So back at our main file, what we want to do is we want to try the other features. Okay, so BitCake Exporter, what does it do? Because I've selected this and I've put the name, everything, you notice that I opened this file again, and when I opened it, it saved everything. So I don't need to type the name of the file every single time that I need to export anything, and I don't need to choose the export directory. It will always save, uh, and it will always export to the same directory. It's a lot less work for you to handle. You just need to put it once. And if you do like incremental saving, everything will be saved on their incremental save, right? So you can work with incremental saves without any need to do any extra work. So it's here, incremental saving, right? Okay, so let's do some cool stuff. First of all, let's just put some start and end frames, 250, and let's export only skin meshes. And one of the cool things that we can do with this script is that sometimes you don't want every joint to be animated, right? For instance, you can have a joint that the programmers are using for your characters to look at the player. Um, if you have frames on this joint, programmers may have some issues, and things may not look so good. We had many times that our programmers couldn't take over a joint because it had animation on it, and I had to like manually delete the animations every time I was exporting something, and that was tons of work. So right now, what you can do is have like a naming convention, and for instance, put like look at or just ignore on every joint, and the script will look for this tags, and every single joint that has these tags, it's going to ignore, right? So let's try this. Arrange now, only skin meshes, and ignore bake. Okay, let's open up uh, our our file. See, I have now baked um, the incremental save. Okay, so see, there's no environment anymore. There's just our main character. Um, it has all the animations, but on this joint, it doesn't have anything. So programmers are free to just grab this joint and do anything they want with it. And there's the main joint here that controls the player, the character, right? So everything else has animations on it. One other thing that our script does is that it bakes animations on meshes as well. So you can see that we do have visibility on joints. We do animate visibility. For instance, we have a character opens and closes its eyes. So at some points it's closed, and some points it's open. And the script will automatically detect the skin meshes and will bake visibility on all skin meshes. It doesn't bake anything else because all those bakes are based on joints. So it basically only bakes visibility because everything else is locked.